Hello, everyone. Good evening. I hope you all are safe. Uh, so, today's session is basically on the solution for the people who are working from home. So, I know it's a old topic, but yes, still people are facing a lot of challenges. So, what made me do this session on the solutions for the people who are working from home? Basically, I did a survey last week on social media, especially on LinkedIn and Facebook. So where I there I got to know still people are facing a lot of challenges, especially neck pain and back pain and the wrist problems, right? So that got me into this कि I think इसकी एक वीडियो बनानी चाहिए where people can be benefited out of this because उसमें still people are not aware of the what can be done and how this can be prevented. So first and foremost, very important is we need to understand how we can improve our home office workstations, home office environment, right? So let's get started. So first is, let's say one second. So in this, so to my surprise, I was thinking कि neck pain ज़्यादा होगा लोगों को and compared to lower back. But to my surprise, it was little different. 42% were facing lower back pain compared to neck pain, which was 23%. But ज़्यादातर patients आ रहे हैं neck pain के, right? So there can be different reason of neck pain and different reasons for the lower back, definitely. But the solution is only one, which is to understand the ergonomics and to correct the postures. So rather taking again and again, taking painkillers, muscle relaxant, going for physio sessions, so that will make your problem worse. So many of my fellow physios are doing wonderful job of creating these awareness and helping people to work and live a pain-free lifestyle. So what is the what so recent studies, let's say, which are from different experts, which says many of these lifestyle disorders can be prevented or reduced by taking simple preventive measures to improve your work from home office environment, right? So but आपको एक measures लेने पड़ेंगे, right? So there are few proactive steps you can take to help protect your physical and mental well-being. So proactive steps can be let's say increase your standing time, कुछ walk किया, ठीक है, walk पे चले गए, reduce caffeine, right? You can start with you can install a little small standing workstation, right? So if you take these steps and if you learn the right guidelines, how to set up your workstation, how to take care of your postures, how to listen to your body, then only you can work pain free. Okay, so let's look at the challenges where people are facing. So still sometimes people are sitting on the floor looking down on the laptop. इसकी वजह से, so I'm not saying this posture is bad, लेकिन आप पूरा time इस posture पे बैठोगे, that creates a lot of problems. Okay, next is, let's say so this guy is sitting and using his knees bent करके and using his laptop. Still this posture is okay, but you can't sit for a long period of time in this posture, otherwise वो back पे strain होने लग जाएगा. If you can see this guy has changed, converted from laptop to connected his laptop to a desktop, और desktop को थोड़ा सा raise करके रखा with the books and laptop को भी raise किया हुआ है, so that he is not bending his neck, and he's sitting on a chair. Probably I can't see properly, but yes, he needs to correct his angle of the hands. So that's how कहीं 5-10% कहीं ना कहीं गलतियाँ आ रही हैं. So that's how people are coming again and again for the same problem. And this, if you can see, this chair is not good enough for sitting for long hours. This is not at the eye level. This is not at arms are not relaxed, right? obviously this is not the right way. I mean, you can't sit for a long period of time. थोड़े टाइम के लिए कर लिया ठीक है, but yes, I have seen couple of my patients doing this mistake कि हाँ बेड पे उल्टा लेट के काफ़ी देर तक वेब सीरीज़ देख लिया या कुछ ऐसे मीटिंग्स अटेंड कर लिया, स्पेशली ऑनलाइन जो एजुकेशन से प्लेटफॉर्म से. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस, राइट. समटाइम्स पीपल डू लाइक दिस, ठीक है, स्पेशली मीटिंग्स, जूम मीटिंग्स, ठीक है. सो व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस वेयर पीपल आर फेसिंग? सो वन इज़ आई स्ट्रेन्स बिकॉज ऑफ ऑब्वियस रीजन्स. सबसे ज़्यादा हमारा स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ गया है, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी नीड टू एड्रेस, वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड focus on preventing the eyes, right, which is very very important. Okay, next is, I mean, ज़्यादातर लोगों को because of smartphones और लैपटॉप जिसमें हमारा नेक बेंड ज़्यादा होता है, so tension, headache, cervicogenic pain, cervical spondylitis, headache, vertigo, dizziness. So these are the symptoms where people are complaining of. ठीक है. So there can be many reasons. It can be because of sleeping postures, because of wrong usage of smartphones, because of because of bending their neck for long period of time. So, see, as I said, the root cause can be different, but the solution is only one. So because of texting, long hours texting, scrolling, people are facing tennis elbow, right? And this is very common, upper back pain and the lower back pain, right? So let's talk about some solutions, right? Solutions which are very very easy and it has to be implemented. So first we need to, as I said, हमें आईज़ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है बिकॉज स्क्रीन टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है एंड वी आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द आईज़. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रिवेंटिव, ठीक है. सो दैट्स हाउ अभी से विद इन 1 year आई गेस दे हैव चेंज, many of you must have changed your specs, नंबर्स बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गए होंगे. सो व्हाट आर द सिंपल स्टेप्स? आप कीप वॉशिंग योर आईज़. एक छोटा सा पेपर, स्टिकी नोट्स लगा लो अपने कंप्यूटर के सामने, विच कैन रिमाइंड यू टू ब्लिंक योर आईज कॉन्शियसली, बिकॉज वाइल वी आर यूजिंग दिस स्क्रीन्स अननोइंगली आप वो ब्लिंक करते ही नहीं हम, ठीक है. सो वी कॉन्स्टेंटली यूज, ओपन आवर आईज एंड वी डोंट ब्लिंक. एंड जब हम ब्लिंक नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी आईज़ लुब्रिकेट नहीं होगी, ड्राई आईज़ होगी तो डेफिनेटली हमारी आईज़ में पेन होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. सो दैट क्रिएट्स लॉट मोर pressure around the eyes and the muscles. So first is reducing your strain on your eyes and then start increasing the strength of your eye muscles. Okay. Next, we did a live session on the active sitting last week. So you can also think of these alternatives of active, because हम जब बैठते हैं तो हमारी seat is dead. I mean, not dead in the sense. So whenever we are sitting on the, we are not moving on those chairs. Active sitting means your body has to move like this. For example, if I am sitting, so you can't do on these chairs. So consciously आपको करना पड़ेगा. But having said that, you can do these tools, these advanced, I would say chairs or stools will give you the benefit of moving automatically. Some are court chairs. You can start with the balance ball, जो medicine ball आती है जो gym में, so that you can start. But make sure आप उसको you should have a practice before using that. Otherwise आप गिर जाओगे. ठीक है, if you are not good with that. So make sure so this balance ball, if you start with, the benefit of using is this. One is, this is not very expensive compared to these which you can see, saddle stools, sit and stand, ठीक है, wobble. Gym ball or medicine ball is much cheaper than this, and this can be easily available. Third is, it will improve your postures because you will be more active in that, sitting in that particular postures, and it will improve your core, it will improve your alertness, you will be more productive. So try using that and leave a comment and share the picture with me if you I mean whenever you start practicing sitting with that. So the point is, अगर हम सेम चेयर पे या सेम स्टूल पे अगर बैठे रहेंगे तो it will definitely the strain will increase on our lower back, right? So if we can change between different tools, different sitting postures, so then you are more active, and then the chances of lower backs, chances of body fatigue will reduce. तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप कभी आधे मतलब 1-2 घंटे आपने जिम बॉल पे बैठ गए, 1-2 घंटे आप चेयर्स पे, 1-2 घंटे आप स्टूल्स पे बैठ गए, राइट? सो यू कैन कीप चेंजिंग द पोस्चर्स. 1-2 घंटे आप यू कैन स्टैंड, राइट, एंड वर्क. So this is how you can use this tool. So it is very effective and easily available now in India. Next is very important, practice good ergonomic guidelines, which is I've seen still people are sitting on the bed. ठीक है, बेड पे बैठ के द लोअर बैक, यू कांट सपोर्ट योर लोअर बैक और neck. The problem is either you can support your lower back or either on the neck. The chances are very less because of the design of that bed. आजकल सबके जो बेड के डिज़ाइन है which is not comfortable. या तो आप neck बचा सकते हो या lower back बचा सकते हो. You can't save both. So that's how you need to understand the right ergonomic equipment and ways to use your body in different situations. So many of people have using bean bags. So bean bags पे बैठ जाते हैं काफ़ी देर तक. Then when they get up from the bean bags, automatically the strain comes to their lower back. So please understand the right ergonomic guidelines. You can also take a mini breaks अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है. So what you can do is बैठे बैठे आप shoulder rotations कर लो, बैठे बैठे थोड़ा सा movement कर लिया, बैठे बैठे you can do certain movements of your body, or maybe simple if you can. अगर आपके पास उठने का भी टाइम नहीं है, just stand and sit, that's it. It won't take more than 2-3 seconds. So the idea is you need to break the monotonous of sitting postures. You need to break the pattern of long hour sitting. ठीक है, उस पैटर्न को ब्रेक करना है उसी टाइम, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज लर्न द राइट डेस्क एक्सरसाइजेस. I know many of you are started doing yoga, and when it comes to yoga, we recently every year बहुत सारे patients आना start हो जाते हैं because of after the yoga day, because of जोश में वो बहुत योगा कर लेते हैं, and then because आज तक किया नहीं है, forward bending and all that creates lower back pain and slip disc. ठीक है, so irrespective of whatever you're doing in the morning or evening, let's say if you have a practice of habit of Zumba or cycling, active running, or any kind of physical activity either in the morning or evening, so that doesn't compensate the amount of time you are sitting. So still you need to do certain stretching exercises in between your working hours. Okay, so for example, if I'm not doing any kind of exercises in the morning, if I'm continuously doing all those stretches between my working hours, and on the other side if somebody is doing going for a let's say going for physical activity, let's say pranayam or maybe cycling subah, and he's not doing any kind of stretching exercises, desk exercises between the working hours, the chances of having him the pain would be higher, right? So ऐसा नहीं है कि हमने आज सुबह एक्सरसाइज कर लिया, शाम को अगर हम एक टाइम करते हैं तो we can compensate. So that should not be the case, right? And so again this last is very important. This is obviously it's a very long topic which we have already covered in the session with I got interviewed with Sandeep Maheshwari, Caught in the Web. So that was a long session, and if I wanted to take one advice from there, that आप क्या कर सकते हो, यू कैन सेलिब्रेट नो फोन डे, लेट्स से संडे और मे बी एनी डे, नो डिजिटल स्क्रीन्स, कोई लैपटॉप, कोई कंप्यूटर्स, कोई टीवी, कुछ भी नहीं. सो जस्ट स्पेंड फिजिकल टाइम विद योर लव्ड वंस. यू कैन गो फॉर आई मीन लॉन्ग ड्राइव, कुछ भी आप काम करो, जस्ट एन्जॉय दैट टाइम. आई मीन दैट विल detox your body from digitally. ठीक है, so that's about it. I think so these were the solutions I wanted to give you. So if you have some questions still, you can write it in the chat box or you can comment me. I'll be happy to answer that. ठीक है, so that's about it. I'll update you for the next session, next live session, and I'll see you there. Take care. See you. Bye bye.